is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are having a good day. Thank you so much for joining the video. If you enjoy it, smash the thumbs up, please. On the way out, takes 2 seconds, helps the channel, helps the video out, get out there to YouTube. Okay, so you guys, today we got some awesome news. One announcement out of multiple announcements that will be coming, in future videos within the near future. I'm talking days and weeks. First things first, we got a new sponsor on the channel. That's right, yours truly, Zephyr's polishes, man. I mean, I'm decked out, man, from top to bottom. Well, top to half, you know what I'm saying, whatever. Anyways, Zephyr polishes joined the family. They let me join, man. I'm extremely excited because, as you guys know, I do a lot of polishing on the side, aluminum, forge wheels, old aluminum wheels, anything aluminum I polish pretty much. I do it on the side. I'm a big advocate. Even before they sponsored me, you guys saw pretty much all the products I use were Zephyr products. I've tried different products out there, different brands and stuff, but Zephyr seems to be the most consistent for what I'm looking for. My customers, when I do their equipment, their wheels, anything I do for my customers, I have yet to have an upset customer on because it's not shining, you know what I'm saying? So I'm extremely excited. Zephyrs, thank you so much for letting me join the family. Christina, shout out to you. Huge help. Y'all sent the kit out to me. It is loaded. I got some products from them, y'all, that I'm going to be testing out today to wash the truck. As you've seen in the opening clip, the truck is filthy. I haven't washed this truck in probably about a month. The weather here has been horrible, just like a lot of places in the country. But we're going to be getting the truck washed up. I checked the weather, so it's not supposed to rain for the rest of the week, which for me, that's going to be good enough because I got to tell you when I can get it, okay? So I'm going to show y'all some of the products we're using first today, and then I'm going to go ahead and we're going to start the wash. Enjoy the video. Thank you for get that out the way. All right, y'all, so check it out. So first things first, Zephyr sent out some products, just to kind of welcome me to the family. They did send me some more stuff out, but for today's video, we're going to be using these products here. Don't worry about that. That right there is from another you guys know I'm a detail enthusiast. Like I'm addicted to when it comes to detailing. That is a soap from another company that they wanted me to test out and give them some feedback on. That's separate. But over here we got different products from Zephyr. The first one we got is going to be their Shine Lock. It's a hybrid ceramic spray coating. Pretty much once your trucks or vehicles wash, you can go ahead and spray this on there. It's supposed to give you up to 12 months of protection. Next thing we got is some Pro 50 Eliminator. This is just a mild, I guess you could say it's a mild acid wash. Very mild. This is really good before you go and hand polish your wheels. You spray some in a microfiber towel or spray it on the wheels, wipe it down. It helps open the pores on aluminum. Aluminum's very porous. The pores on it collects a lot of shit. Okay, so if you spray this on there or wipe it down, it'll help soften it / open the pores up. It preps the metal to get polished is what I'm getting to. Next thing we got is my top tried and true faithful Zephyr's Pro 40 hand polish. Y'all, they sent me an OG bottle. You don't know how long I wanted one of these for. This OG bottle, this needs to be the new label, because this right here, this is like y'all know I'm from Florida, from Miami. This is like that South Beach vibe right here. So I'm excited. Got the new bottle, and then we got some Pro 39. This is like their I guess you say tire shine / like vinyl rubber plastic spray. You can spray it on your trim, you can spray it on your tires, your dashboard, your door panels, anything, vinyl, rubber, plastic, all that stuff. That right there will take care of it. So I'm extremely excited to be using these products right here. Zephyr sent me. I'm also excited to use this product, the soap that I can't say the company that sent it to me, but the company that sent me that soap, I'm excited to use that as well. I already loaded up the foam cannon. I got both my wash buckets, my wheel bucket, my wash bucket for the truck. I got that. The only thing I'm using that's not from Zephyr's today is just my wheel cleaner. I got some wheel cleaner, some degreaser. I'm going to be using for the tires and for the inside the wheel wells and etc. So we're about to get started, y'all. Enjoy the video, and thank you so much for watching. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is going to be the end of it, so I'm going to give you guys my final product review or impressions of some of the products. Now granted, you guys, I've already used some of the products, such as the product, the Pro 40 polish before. I've used it. Hopefully quick, just to recap with y'all. So I didn't even open the brand new bottle of Pro 40. I ended up using the old one, but we did that. The soap that I tested out for the said name company, it's pretty good. It's good stuff. You know, it does a good job. It foams really good too. I probably added about 4 ounces of this in the foam cannon, and one foam cannon in my truck twice. The Pro 39, I read the instructions. I was under the impression that it's more of a spray and walk away type of conditioner, but it's much more preferred wipe. What was happening was I sprayed it, gave it about 5-10 minutes, and it just sat there. It started to soak into the tire, but the excess just sat there. It didn't like self-level itself. So what I had to do was I just went around with a microfiber rag and I just rubbed it into the tires. It came out really good. The tires look real rich. Same thing with the wheel well liners. With this stuff, you can spray it on there and then come behind it with a rag and wipe it down, and it's going to give it a nice looking, like clean looking look. This right here by far is probably the most impressive thing that I've used so far. The shine lock, this stuff is pretty good, and I only used that much. I barely used any. You only need maybe 2 to 3 sprays per panel. A little goes a long way with this stuff. And the paint, it's super slick. Like, think of the slickest wax paint job you've touched, times that by 10, and that's what's in that bottle. I don't know what it is, but it's some real slick stuff in there, which is nice. We'll see how it holds up. It claims 1 year protection. That's a bold statement, so we're gonna see how that holds up. As you guys know, Pro 50, use that before you do a hand polish on your metal or your wheels. It helps, it just preps the metal a little bit. But everything worked out perfect, you guys. This truck came out super slick. You guys saw the ending clips of the truck cleaned up. It was well needed. It's nice too because the sun came out. It was overcast when I first started. So I'm excited. Truck's clean finally. Just hope we can keep it like this for a little bit. If I can get 4 or 5, if I can get a week out of it with it looking like this, it's a success to me. Either way, the truck needed to be clean because it was filthy, man. It was filthy. So that's gonna do it for this video, y'all. Thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, smash, comment, like on the way out. Thank you, Zephyrs, for letting me join the family. Thank you for everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, y'all take care, peace out, and we'll be back soon.